How is it that I'm always running late? Somehow I make it in time. And even in dark places, I'm still managing to find light. I got a few folks in my corner, and I know they're down to ride. Everything always works out. Welcome to my mind. I got it, knowing this is gonna be alright, but I'm still protecting my chest. Ducking when shots fired, trying not to let it get to my head. Won't pop off because it's self-carry. They're already going off that pride, comparing the situation to yours because they're trying to justify something's killing them inside, and you don't kick it off while it's down. Can't let evil break on my stride, and I got the champion sound. Using my heart to calm my mind, and my mind to keep my heart pumping, because love's the only thing that can save us from destruction. I feel like a fairy, and I'm dancing in the rain. I hear your soul with my magic while I wash away the pain. You see the beauty in the forest when you're not focused on the snakes or this trick in the jungle book. Wrap your mind up so there's no escape. They trying to judge like they don't have their vices, but when it's their turn to be on blast, look at the face, priceless. They ask me how I managed not to give up on this dream of mine. What dream are they talking about? Maybe this is my life. I tell them I'll grow up all the way up and let it fly. Tell them nothing lasts forever. She says, I don't want you to die. Then this life is deep, but I don't have time to cry. Every day I'm reminded on how fast time really flies. All I ask for is respect. Do what you're comfortable with, but we all know basic steps on how not to be a dick. All up in my business and you acting like you care. I'm minding my own business. Stay your ass up over there, like checking me out. Like I'm hard to register. No matter how average I seem, you can't fuck with my character. They so gone, and it's not my job to find them. All I can do is my best an example to remind them that I might be running late, but I always send a good time. And even in dark places, I'm still managing to find light. I got a few folks in my corner, and I know they're down to ride. Everything always works out. Welcome to my mind. Thank you.